management consultant for the last several years, where I've been in that role helping psychologists make really complex ethical and clinical decisions. And so that's interestingly some of the lens I've applied to these decisions we've had to make in our family. So and part of that, as Lindsay and I have talked about a lot, is there's no perfect or even good choice right now, which is often the case with really complex decisions, right? Or it would be easy. If there was an easy choice, we would make it. And right now, I think for many of us, it just feels like there's no good choice. We're just deciding in some ways between a rock and a hard place. And there's also no risk-free decision either. No matter which way we're sort of slicing it, there's going to be consequences of some sort. And so those are the kinds of things we're having to weigh. And then when you think about what some of those consequences might be, or what these layers of the decision look like, we have to think about our own context. We have so many different contexts we're coming from. And so I think Lindsay and I, it was really important to us to think about, this is not about judgment and telling you what is right or wrong to do. This is about giving you a way to think about it, to make the right choice for your family right now, which is not going to be the same choice for another family in a different context.